The nitrogen which cools the air is used to power Seclopt. It converts the energy it absorbed from the air into electricity via a turbine. This in turn cools the nitrogen gas. This gas is passed into a novel patented vector-cancelling condenser. This new continuous flow condenser does not require any additional work or energy added via a mechanical compressor unit. The gas pressure is directed towards itself and this causes condensation. The heat released from condensation is recovered via a nitrogen cooling loop and this is passed into Seclopt to convert heat to electricity. The amount of energy generated is far greater than the input energy to run the system. Small towers all act as vacuums over a large area and this large area or low pressure pulls in millions of cubic meters of air per year. The constituents of air that is condensed is sold to industry to create a true circular economy. CO2 is sold to the foods and drinks industry which is currently being supplied by carbon dioxide made as a byproduct of fertilizer production. Can you imagine, we have an excess of CO2 and yet we actually have an industry dedicated to make more for business. Methane and argon are sold as they are in small atmospheric concentrations. Oxygen and nitrogen have high volumes and far more than can be sold. Excess oxygen and nitrogen will be used to rapidly cool more air without using a closed-loop heat exchange cycle. This means condensed oxygen and nitrogen will be used to cool incoming air and the energy in this gas will be passed into Seclopt to create electricity and it will then be released as cold air into the atmosphere, albeit without the argon, methane and CO2 or pollutants. Finally, some of the excess nitrogen and oxygen will be passed into a patented thermal energy concentrator which will absorb solar heat and vaporize the liquid oxygen and nitrogen, which will then be passed into Seclopt to create renewable electricity. All in all, cheap, simple, net energy creating and a full circular economy. Revfracc is the all-in-one solution for carbon capture straddling CCUS and DAC systems. Revfracc is a de facto atmospheric scrubber. It works, it offers an economical solution and it does not require massive changes to our way of life.